Lined up, ready to go down into turn number 3. Ryan Klein pulled up alongside of John Favinger, trying to take over the number 1 spot. Favinger not giving up easy. Favinger on the outside, Klein down low. Favinger coming back strong and did come off at turn number 4. Ryan Klein able to take over the top spot. Trying to get up there to become a factor. Shuts into 1. He's your point leader here at Grandview Speedway. Has 3 wins already this season. Randy Stout in the 18R has moved up into the number 2 position. Randy Stout with the 18Rs up there now. Stout getting a little bite. There's the 704, Corey Fleming taking it in the infield. Ryan Klein holding on to the top spot. Coming down off of turn number 4, and Ron Klein picks up the victory.
There he is, ladies and gentlemen. He's out of the car. Give him a big round of applause. Ron Klein.